How to use the shrink rule. As we know, clay shrinks. Each clay shrinks slightly differently. I use the equivalent of B-mix, which I know is 12%. But on this ruler, we have 14%, a 6%, and a 10%. I'm going to use the 12%. If you want your finished length to be 4 inches, remember your finished length, then you go to your shrink rule on your 12% and you measure till the 4 inches on the shrink rule. So let's do that. So you get your 12% and I mark off the 4 inches. Then I know that when this shrinks, it is going to be 4 inches. At the moment, as you can see, it is almost a ½ inch larger. When it shrinks, it should be the 4 inches. The same works if you want 6 inches, your final length to be 6 inches, use 6 inches on the shrink rule. The same works if you want to make a lid fit a pot. If it says 3 inches, use your calipers on the shrink rule to 3 inches here, and then by the time it shrinks, your lid will fit your pot. I hope that helps people understand how to use the shrink rule.